Before this chapter, fraction, I have teach you about the chapter integers. This second chapter is fraction. The fraction is a part of whole or collection. Start. Example, 1 minute consists of 60 seconds. So 1 second is a fraction of a minute. 1 second equal to 1 upon 60 minutes. A fraction consists of two parts, numerator and denominator. In the fraction 1 upon 60, 1 is numerator and 60 is denominator. Example 2, this is a whole part which is a circle and I have divided it into 4 parts. This one part which is colored, its fraction is 1 by 4. By definition, we have seen that the taken part is called numerator and the whole part divided into is called denominator. The whole is divided into 4 parts, so 4 is denominator and one part is taken, that is numerator, so fraction is 1 by 4. Type of fraction. First is proper fraction. Proper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is less than denominator. Numerator is less than denominator. Example, 2 by 3, 3 by 5, 7 by 9 and so on. In 2 by 3, 2 is less than 3. Second is improper fraction. In improper fraction, numerator is greater than denominator, as 5 by 2, 7 by 3, 11 by 5 and so on. We see that 5 is greater than 2, 7 is greater than 3 and 11 is greater than 5. Third is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is a fraction in which there is a whole number with proper fraction. Mixed fraction can be changed into improper fraction and improper can be changed into mixed fraction. As 5 whole 2 upon 3 will be 5 3 are 15 plus 2 17 upon 3. That will be an improper fraction. 2 whole 2 upon 5 is 5 2 are 10 plus 2 11 upon 5 and 7 whole 1 upon 2 is 15 upon 2. As we see that the improper can be changed into mixed and mixed fraction can be changed into improper fraction. The fourth is unit fraction. Unit fraction is a proper fraction having numerator 1 are called unit fraction, as 1 by 7, 1 by 4, 1 by 9, 1 by 60 and so on. These are unit fractions because its numerator is 1. Like and unlike fractions. Fractions with same denominator are called like fractions and fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Example, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 5 by 7 are like fractions because their denominator are same, that is 7. In second, the denominator are 7, 9 and 11, they are different. So these fractions are unlike fractions. Unlike fractions can be converted into like fractions by taking the LCM of their denominators. Sum and difference of like fractions. Sum of like fractions equal to sum of the numerators upon the common denominators. We know that the like in like fractions the denominator are same. As example, 2 upon 7 plus 3 upon 7 equal to sum of the numerators 2 plus 3 upon common denominator, that is 7, equal to 5 upon 7. Second, difference of like fractions equal to difference of numerator upon the common denominator, as 7 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5 equal to 7 minus 3 upon 5 equal to 4 upon 5. Comparison of like fractions. Of the two like fractions, the fractions with greater numerator is greater than other. Example, 7 upon 9 is greater than 3 upon 9. Since 7 is greater than 3. Sum and difference of unlike fractions. To add two unlike fractions, we find the LCM of their denominators and then convert each fraction into an equivalent fractions having its denominator equal to the LCM, and then add or subtract as we do for like fractions. Example, 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. First we take LCM of denominator 3 and 4, that is 12. So 2 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 3 multiplied by 4 equal to 8 upon 12, and 1 upon 4 equal to 1 upon 4 into 4 3 are 12 multiply by 3, numerator and denominator both, we get 3 upon 12. Now 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 equal to 8 upon 12 plus 3 upon 12 equal to, the common denominator is 12 and their numerator is 8 plus 3, that is 11 upon 12. Second example is subtract 3 whole 1 upon 2 from 5 whole 1 upon 4. Solution is, first we take the rational number fraction which is greater, that is 5 whole 1 upon 4 minus 3 whole 1 upon 2. First we change the mixed fraction into improper, that is 5 4 are 20 plus 1. 21 upon 4 minus 6 to 3 2 are 6 plus 1, 7 upon 2. Then we take LCM of 4 and 2, that is 4. Then we change the fraction into like fraction as equal to 4 and 21 multiply by 1, because when we divide the LCM 4 by 4, that is 4 1 ja 4, minus 7 into 2 2 ja 4, 7 multiply by 2, equal to 21 minus 14 upon 4, equal to 7 upon 4, equal to, this is improper fraction, so we change into mixed, because numerator is greater than denominator. So 4 1 ja 4, 3 by 4. Example 3. Find the perimeter of the given triangle. In triangle ABC, given AB equal to 5 by 2 meter, BC equal to 2 whole 3 upon 4 meter, and AC equal to 2 whole 3 upon 5 meter. Solution. In triangle ABC, AB equal to 5 by 2 meter, BC equal to 2 whole 3 upon 4 meter, and CA equal to 2 whole 3 upon 5 meter. We know that perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of its sides, equal to AB plus BC plus CA, equal to 5 upon 2 plus 2 whole 3 upon 4 plus 2 whole 3 upon 5. First we change improper fraction into mixed fraction into improper, that is 5 upon 2 plus 4 to the 3, 11 upon 4 plus 10 plus 3, 13 upon 5. Then take the LCM of 2, 4, 5 equal to 20, because we have to change these fractions in like fractions. So 5 to 5 multiply by 2 10 ja 20 plus 11 multiply by 5, 4 5 ja 20 plus 13 multiply by 5 4 ja 20, equal to 50 plus 55 plus 13 4 ja 52 upon 20, equal to 5 to 7, 5 5 10 5 15, 157 upon 20 meter, equal to 27 ja 140, 7 whole 17 upon 20 meter. Today I have started second chapter fraction, in which we have learned about the definition and what is fractions, type of fractions as proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction and unit fractions, and also discussed like and unlike fractions, sum and difference of like and unlike fractions, and solve some examples, their sum and differences. In next class, we will discuss about the multiplication and division of fractions.